we're gonna let those cook. This is your girl, Mrs. T, and we're back with another video. So guys, how are you doing today? Good, because your girl is doing just terrific. Well guys, you know I had a craving for some catfish. Yes, I did. And I couldn't get this craving out. But anywho, is you truly doing good? Make sure you leave a comment below, okay? So guys, we have us some catfish fillets. Look how big these are. So yes, we have some catfish fillets. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay these out on a plate, right? Okay, we're gonna lay these out, put this over here. You guys, my kitchen is so small, so small. And we have some napkins. And I'm just going to lay these on here just like so, because these is going to be my first batch. You guys, how many of you guys enjoy catfish? Now, I'm not a big fish eater when it comes to catfish. I must be honest. I'm not. But I do enjoy it every now and then. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and I am gonna divide these fish up as soon as I get the shears out. So I'm gonna just cut like so. Well, we got paper towel sticking, but that's okay. Just make sure it's off. And I have a lid over here that I'm gonna just sit these on. Like I said, guys, I'm not perfect. Okay, so we're going to get that paper towel out the way. Gonna pat this one dry. Just not going to lay it on the paper towel. We divided it like so. Now this is, I'm only feeding a family of 3, but I already know I might have a surprise visitor. So I knew to put some extra in there. Because I'm going to use the same bowl. Well, I might go with the plate for seasoning my catfish. Gonna leave that right there. And we're going to get this out the way. And we're going to wipe that so. Make that our dump bowl. And so yeah, we're going to lay these on down here. And the first seasoning we're going to use is some Cajun style seasoning. Yes, I'm going to put that seasoning right on this fish just like so. And we're going to also use some original salt, no salt, just like so. And a little extra black pepper. Like I said before, I'll get all that seasoning in there. But we layer our next seasoning because we want all of this seasoning to sit and get to know each other, you know. We want it to get to know each other. Because that's what we do around here. We get to know each other. Sound like my oil is a little ready. And this is enough seasoning for me and my family. Get all of that in there. All the goodness in there. Okay. So now our next step. We already have our season in our bag. Use whatever seasoning you prefer. I'm sorry. I need to get my French fries because I need those to be cooked first. I need these to be cooked first and put into the deep fry. So yes, let's get these fries on in here. Yeah, because we need some of these fries in here, you guys. Turn these into Cajun style fries. Let me put some more in here right quick. Just like so. Just like so. So yeah. Okay, so here go the last of our fries, you guys. Uh-oh, let me get it controlled. Last of our fries. Let's sprinkle some Cajun on here. Just like so. And we're going to go on and put them right on in here. And yes, I am going to pick that up. Sprinkle a little more Cajun. Get that season right on in there. Just like so. So now we're going to get ready to start on our fish. And we're going to let those cook. So now our catfish is ready. But we haven't finished now. You guys, we still got plenty of catfish to go. So yes, how do that look, you guys? Check out that. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Let me get some and pull that out. You can see the crispiness on it. That's one thing about fish. It does not take long to cook. And deep fryer makes it much more easier to cook. Now guys, there you have it. Some good old southern fried catfish along with some Cajun style fries. And yes, we have some golden deep fried shrimp. Okay, so yeah, your girl had to have it. I didn't want too many shrimps, but we have enough. But check out this fry with the seasoning on it. Oh my heavens. And check out the filet. So yeah, if this is your first time viewing me, thank you. I hope you enjoy the content enough to come and join the fam and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel and leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. Thumbs this video straight up. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy your Friday.